Hello everyone, so you would like to change the religion of a certain part of your territory. That is pretty easy. All you have to do is, first of all, I suggest you to go here in faiths, and here you can see the different faiths and religions that there are. This is my religion, and this is another religion where my territory is, and I would like to convert it. Now, there are a few ways. One of them is simply to have the vassal here that has the territory that is of a different religion, and long term they might change it. This can be useful for large parts of territory, but in more smaller situations, what you have to do is to go in the council here and have your guy here with learning click convert faith. You click and slowly that is what is happening. It will convert this region to another religion. To show you what I mean, I could for example show you this. Currently it's this religion, but slowly it will happen what happened here, which is converting the religion. It is not a quick process. It takes quite a bit, and it will slowly work. So I hope you like this video, leave a comment below, subscribe, and see you next time.